When I'm talking, your hand is feeling a pulse. ये pulse जैसी होती है, वैसी pulse है ना. I don't have to hold up your hand. You hold it up yourself. Right? Not very. Don't press very hard. You are feeling. Don't press very hard. Lightly. Okay. When I'm talking, do you feel a pulse? You say I feel a pulse. Say it loudly.
Feeling pulse.
You are feeling a pulse. Now when I'm saying the word evening, how many pulses did you feel?
लास्ट में नींद आता है उसमें.
Evening. Listen to me. You are not listening to me. कितने pulse सुने आपने? Felt.
3.
That is called a syllable. So evening, ning जो feel किया, that is the last syllable. That last syllable must be pronounced properly with emphasis. That improves the intelligibility of your word, the speech, the whole sentence. Every last syllable of every word must be pronounced with force. Okay? And this is the syllable. Now, what I want, speech is a series of syllables, not letters. E-V-E-N-I-N-G. How many letters? E-V-E-N-I-N-G. Have I pronounced every letter?
E-V.
Listen to me and understand the question. There are 6. How many letters? E-V-E-N-I-N-G. 7 letters. Have I pronounced every letter separately? Have I? Have I? Then I have pronounced only the syllables. I haven't said e, v, e, n, I, n, g. Have I pronounced like that? Speech is a series of syllables. Okay, syllables, and not a pronunciation of each and every letter. Okay, especially with English. Now E-V-E-N-G, I-N-G. Now listen to me. How would you pronounce all the letters? E is sometimes a E. Okay, E. V, how will you pronounce?
V.
V, how will you pronounce generally? When you see a letter, you say V. What do you say? V. Are you pronouncing E, V? Then after that become E. I'm spelling this E. E. What are you going to pronounce? You are going to pronounce this letter. It is written. The word is written like that. Are you going to pronounce it as E, V, E? How do you pronounce N?
No.
Are you going to pronounce it like that? Don't pronounce the sound of every letter. You pronounce the whole word in syllables. Ve and re. There are 4 letters in the spelling. V-E-R-Y. Very. How many pulses did you feel? Very. Do. So that is what I mean. That is the syllables. जो अपने टक टक ऐसे के. Very. So speech is a series of syllables, not sound of every letter. Okay? That you have to understand. And the last syllable here, which is the last syllable? Very.
R-Y.
Re. Don't say R-Y. Don't say R-Y.
Re.
Re. So that must be pronounced with a firm thing. I'll teach her also. Syllables. Speech, mouth closed. You will never understand anything, you keep on doing this. I am going to say the words. You're feeling a tap tap to your pulse, it's called. You're feeling a pulse now. Okay, now you tell me. I am going to say the words and how many pulse you feel. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus.
5.
You felt now? 5 syllables. Say that.
5 syllables.
I felt 5 syllables.
I felt 5 syllables.
Okay, syllables. Those are called syllables. And speech is like that. Now, what is the spelling of hippopotamus? Spelling.
I am
Hippopotamus.
hip,
You say hippopotamus.
hippopotamus.
कितने? How many did you feel?
5.
5. Rhinoceros. You put your hand here. Listen to me, but say it correctly. Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros.
How many did you feel?
Rhinoceros.
No, ऐसा नहीं. पूरा है. Rhinoceros.
5.
5?
4.
4. Correct. She's getting it right. She's right. Absolutely.
Huh?
Okay. Excellent.
Excellent 4.
You say it.
3.
You say 3. You say it now. Excellent.
Excellent.
How many?
3 children.
Correct. Correct. Speech is not sounding out each and every letter, and this is what happens when your concentration, when you start to teach them language by writing or reading, and you don't know the real pronunciation, right? This is a very, very great fault with just the reading and writing method of teaching language and speech. Okay, and for them every language is new, even her own mother tongue, isn't it? English is not spoken the way it is written. Psychology is spelled Psychology. Now PSY, how will you pronounce?
PSY.
How will you pronounce? Psi, peace, something like peace. Here ऐसा pronounce करोगे?
नहीं.
तो फिर वो स्पेलिंग बताना है क्या आपको? प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्या है बताता है क्या? नहीं बताता है ना. फिर so the language has to be learned first. Language only has to be learned. The sound of language has to be learned, and then it is transferred from there. Right? This is a mistake we make when we try to learn a foreign language by reading and writing. You can never do it.